Hey everyone, my name is Kalia Chalan and welcome to my channel. Some of you may have noticed that I've been AWOL for a while. Actually, I haven't posted any videos for about a year now, and that's because so many things have happened in that time. We've had to relocate to a new country. So actually, we've moved back to Australia. And settling the kids and family back here took a while. Now we're starting to renovate our house. So we're still in boxes, so I'm not quite set up for wasn't quite set up for my artwork and my ceramics either. And I've started work. So, with all of that, it didn't really leave me much time for painting, but finally decided to set it in an area up for myself, and here we are. With moving back, obviously I've had to use different products because I couldn't get the same product that I was using back in Singapore. So here in this video, I'm using a different pillow and a different pouring medium that I normally would. Now the Australian products are just simply amazing. The colors and the cells that it produces is just gorgeous. And here you can see the piece in the light, so you can see the gorgeous shimmer and the colors. So in this piece I'm using some of the these little piggy pigments, and for the first time, and they are just gorgeous. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time.